Wake up, cousin! I'm going to the zoo! 36 or 36 last year it was 37.
I want everything to be perfect for my Dudley's special day.
Hurry up! Bring my coffee, boy!
Yes, Uncle Barnett.
Dobby the house elf.
Not to be rude or anything, but this isn't a great time for me to have a house elf.
Yes, sir. Dobby understands. It's just that Dobby has come to tell you that it is difficult, sir. Dobby wonders where to begin.
Why don't you sit down?
And then after the people. Just a minute, Ed.
We've got a lot of really incredible departments. We have the creature factory, we have two of the small items and substances that make the beautiful This is our fluffy tool that falls out of the line. Really cool. Yeah. Just like that, really have a job with it to make it ultra slime, which is also how we make this, which is our troll burgers, which they get on Harry's wand when they put it up the nose of the troll and have fun to film. They're both made from this stuff, ultra slime. It's standard. Whenever you see slime in a film, it's probably this Alien, Star Wars even. All with the ultra slime. It's a really effective slime. It's a really great job of it. In fact, what is it? Try some out. I would recommend trying to touch on those things.
Animatronics can fit their machines to figures large and small. Take Scalazzy. He's one of the smallest figures built, tiny ears and servants. Now, animatronics range in size from scalars to the wooden monsters.
Oh my god!
To the boar's head. But wasn't the large, was it? Never turn down the opportunity to build a dragon. Head round the corner and I'll show you.
Sorry.
Use wine, thank you, Jimmy. I don't need to know. Yeah, off you go. No, it's fine, really, really, thank you. Thank you. For this scene, we needed a 40-foot dragon to thrash about in a cage, and John Richardson's special effects team provided the fire.
When John rigs something, you best stand well back. He rigged the dragon with a flamethrower, which threw balls of liquid propane almost 20 feet, illuminating the whole set. Quite magical.
It was, so since I was a kid, I wanted to see the dragon. And that night, I saw a dragon, and it was an absolute joy.
Now, one of Nick's most complex creations is this.
I now know.
Pretty much everything we do is a prototype. The first whole car was built pretty much solidly in steel.
About 687.
We had to put a very intricate axle through the middle of the car. Then we clad it with half-inch thick oak veneer so that it looked like it was built in wood. On the last film, when we built the second car, that was completely different. Exactly how it started, we wanted to create this amazing ride down to the bottom. One of the things we had was lifting up the road. It's something that was an energy and the drama and comedy that comes with it. So we're trying to find the intention of something like 5 more times the first cast is quite clear pretty much what we've done on the second half. It's a replication of that. Actually works. So there are two big challenges with the structure. First, the voice control and the idea of this expansion, but then also the fact that there's a safety aspect of the kids being inside. If you made the pieces all real out of metal and brass, they're actually quite dangerous. So we had to rubberize all the pieces that were going to be